All right, here's another unique van, one off all the way. There's not another one for sale. 2014 Chevy Express extended 9-passenger Explorer Limited SE Quigley 4x4 conversion van. This thing is rad. Clean Carfax, rust free, very, very nice. Super loaded Explorer Limited SE package. It is extended model, 9-seat conversion, 6 captain chairs plus the rear power folding bench seat bed, fully loaded with leather, TV, rear entertainment, navigation, backup camera. Thing is fully loaded out. Gorgeous chrome wheels. Look at this thing. It's pretty near flawless condition. The whole front and the mirrors all have a paint protection PPF film. There's a few little blemishes in the PPF. Otherwise, it's in perfect shape. I'm gonna give you the full tour of this thing. It is gorgeous. Laser straight down the sides, no accidents. Extremely clean inside and out. Can't find another one anywhere. Again, it is a Quigley 4x4 conversion. Comes with all the original paperwork from Quigley as well. It's just a one-owner van. Gorgeous. Look at this thing. Nice chrome wheels. Got Yokohama tires. Deep in tread. Probably almost new. Rockers are nice. Nice and fresh underneath. It's not brand new, but there is no rust at all. The frame is solid as a rock. No rust. Beautiful, beautiful van. 107,000 original miles. It's less than 10,000 miles a year. Beautiful 9-seat conversions. Got all your LED lights, rear entertainment. This thing is immaculate. All the window shades intact, rear power folding bench seat bed. All the leather seats are extremely nice. Power recliners, front heated seats, loaded out. 107,526 on the miles. It is running, has been running about 30 minutes. Big screen, backup camera, giving you the full tour. It does have the center console cooler and your Quigley shift on the fly shifter. You don't have to lock any hubs. This is shift on the fly. So drop it in neutral, put it in your 4-wheel and roll. It's got all your stickers. Got your Quigley sticker. This thing is extremely nice, non-smoker. Give us a like, give us a follow, give us a call at 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 47 years in business. Give us a like, give us a follow. Look at this bad boy, it's beautiful. Won't find another one. Quigley 4x4. Clean Carfax, no stories. It's been serviced, is ready to go. Again, 6 captain chairs. They are all removable, of course. These 4 are removable, and then you got your rear bench seat that folds down into a bed. As you can see, you got your Starlight white LED. Beautiful. You got your USB connections here for all your cup holders. Got headsets for the TV. TV works. It does have an HDMI connection down there, so you can adapt your phone right to the TV and play movies to it if you want. Does have a tow package. All the paperwork comes with the van. Everything is in this pouch right here. Got paperwork, everything right there. Got the rear folding bed. Back and forth and up and down. Goes all the way flat. You can move those seats up a little bit so you can get more room if you want. Beautiful 9-passenger Explorer. These are loaded. All your creature comforts. Summertime is here. You can go off the grid with this bad boy. Low top. You can fit in a parking garage. This van is awesome. Give us a call, 954 561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 47 years of business. Give us a like, give us a follow. We only have the best of the best. If you have any questions, we are more than happy to help at any time. It's a 6.0 liter V8. See, under the hood is clean. Deck's cool. This thing is immaculate. See, the core support is nice, no rust. Do you see water here? That is from the AC. It's 95 degrees here in Florida, and that thing's been running about 30 minutes. Look at that, beautiful. Don't hesitate to give us a call. Send us a text, 954-561-2499, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Gorgeous 9-passenger Quigley Limited SE Explorer stretch. Gorgeous, look at that. Runs beautifully. It's ready to go. Thank you.